And then after all of those things, I have people rub the flame, like run the flame on their body. And I have people actually intentionally do a transfer and put it out with their hands so that they can practice, oh, wow, I can extinguish a fire with my hand and I'm going to live. And I mean, if you were to believe movies, you would think what we do is going to make you spontaneously combust. I mean, movies are absolutely terrible at conveying the reality of how fire works. So the first thing you have to do is get out of all of the cultural training that you've been put in if you haven't played with fire. And unfortunately, people in urban areas have no real context for playing with fire. You know, it's not like you're building fires, and they've banned fireplaces in so many urban areas because of the, you know, pollution or whatever. We just don't really have, and now they're banning gas stoves, so we only have electric, so people are even more and more disconnected from it. So if smoking is banned and people don't have fireplaces and they don't have gas stoves, where's the context in which people actually have a relationship to fire? In urban areas, it's diminishing more and more all the time, by my measure.